Well, I hope you've enjoyed the cooler weather over the weekend. I certainly did. And I hope you're ready for more because despite the warm temperatures yesterday and today, we do have some cooler weather on the way. So, speaking of cooler weather, take a look at these photos that were taken over the weekend. The earliest snowfall on record since record keeping began in the mid-1800s occurred in Columbia, South Carolina on Saturday, with just over 2 inches being recorded there. So you can see that picture. Looks like fun. On Mount LeConte in Tennessee, 22 inches of snow fell. Not too unusual to see snow this time of year in Mount LeConte, but still, 22 inches is pretty impressive for Tennessee at any time of the year. Now, as we take a look at the forecast, starting off with that forecast for today, we'll have temperatures a little warmer than they saw over at Mount LeConte in the low 60s today, and by 3 p.m. will be just shy of 70. Now, taking a look at that forecast for tonight, clouds will be on the increase as we track that cooler weather coming through. Tomorrow night, temperatures will fall into the lower 50s to around 49 degrees for that overnight low. And taking a look at that forecast for tomorrow, I mentioned the rain chances are going to go up with temperatures in the mid-60s. Now let's take a look at those weather photo contest entries. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see them last week, so I'll put the same ones up this week. Looks like these two photos were taken on the same night. Great sunset there. I do enjoy all those photos. And I will have a link in this video to where you can see all of the photo submissions online, so don't worry if your photo didn't get shown. We had a record number of submissions this week, by the way, so it's been really great. Keep sending those along, please. And before we take a look at that 7-day forecast, it's time for the weather fact of the week.
I've heard people say that lots of hickory nuts, acorns, and buckeyes in the fall means that it's going to be a cold winter. I have one thing to say about that. That's nuts!
So, what do I think this winter's going to be like? I think it could go either way, and all the people out there on the internet are mostly putting out those forecasts to clickbait you and generate ad revenue. So, it could be a warm winter or it could be a cold winter, but one thing's for certain, we're looking at some significantly cooler weather here on your 7-day forecast. As we take a look at that, recapping for today and tomorrow, temperatures will be in the upper 60s today, with that chance of rain returning by late tomorrow. As we take a look at that extended period, clouds clear out partially for Friday, with temperatures only in the low 50s for highs, so very similar to what we had this past weekend. Temperatures only warm up slightly into the upper 50s on Saturday before another cold front hits, and we'll be back in the lower 50s for Sunday. And as we look longer range, it looks like we could have a significant cold front coming through middle of next week, dropping highs back into the 40s if the guidance I'm looking at right now verifies. So definitely looking at some much cooler weather and below average temperatures for what we should be seeing for this time of year. So that's all for today. Don't forget to submit those weather photos and check out the ones submitted, and the link to those will be in the description. And have a great day.